Good morning. I thought I'd bring you into my bathroom to show you a little bit about how I'm trying to put my bathroom back under control. Gotta get the hair out of the way, right? There we go. So I have my brush that I used and I'm putting it away. Grab the hair a little bit out of it. A few weeks ago, I gave myself a mantra: put away what I just used and then put away 5 more things. Now, before I did that, my whole counter was just crammed with things I'd use, and I'd be like trying to look all over for it. You can ask family members, but this is what it looks like right now. This corner is a place I really haven't gotten to yet. The other thing I have been doing is clean one thing every morning. Not a bathroom cleaning day, but clean one thing in my bathroom every morning. And since this was so bad, I was cleaning parts of my counter every morning, and I just want to show that to you. As you saw before, here's the corner. So I'll just take everything out of there. Need to clean this off. Put that there. I'm almost out, but I've got to keep this because we're out of all of it in the house, so I've got to make a trip to get some more. The last time this happened, I used this, I put it there, so it's time to throw it away. Got a little trash can here. I'll use up there my doggy's toothpaste. Oh, it's all gotten so gross. I'm gonna need to clean all of these little things. Okay, I'll put this here. Unplug this. I'm going to clean it up before I put it back. Did not clean this out after my last trip, but I know what's in it. It's just my face wash, so I'm going to clean that. And I need to clean this after a trip. Really old. Throw it away. I'm afraid to throw things away. Hand putty. It's still really good inside. And I have to exercise my hands, but really got to clean the top of this. Ugh. It's scary, everybody, showing you how gross this is, but like some of you know it, right? Some of you live it. So stop being afraid of it. I have my own cleaner that I forgot where I got the recipe from. 2 cups of water, 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1/4 cup of vinegar. I wrote it on the bottle. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 6 to 10 drops of, you can't see this, but no, it's your oil of choice, your essential oil of choice for the nice smell. Here's the funny thing. Even this has dust on it from the dogs. Oh. Now, who says that you can't use window cleaner on other surfaces? Nobody. You can use it everywhere. So I just use this everywhere. Nah, but I'm gonna use it, this out of the way, on my window, or rather my mirror first. A trick I was taught a while ago is go top to bottom. That way if anything drips down or comes down, you're not having to clean up twice. When there's a lot of grunge on it though, you're gonna have to spray it maybe again. Okay, now I'll spray this. Penny. Don't spray my toothbrush. Yeah, I knew that was going to take more than one wipe down. And when it's really gross like this, I don't like to use my rags. I use the paper towels. Maybe some cleaners would work better, but let's count the cost in this minute. Going downstairs to get a different cleaner. Versus scrubbing a little bit harder in here, you know? Need another run of that. There we go. Soap. Face soap can get, or any soap, if it's dripping on anything, nasty. But I could take advantage of it. That's another thing. If you have no cleaner in your bathroom and you have a little spot you need to clean, use a dot of soap. Okay, this is far from perfect, but it's good enough for today. And why is it good enough? Because that sink was a lot dirtier than it should have been. That made it a much bigger job. And my goal here is to create a sustainable habit, not rush clean the whole bathroom and make it look perfect and sparkling, and that was exhausting, and that took all day, and I'm done. You know that story. So that's good enough. But come a week from now, I'm going to be cleaning that area again. Might not even be cleaning the mirror, because I'm at a point where one of my single jobs is to clean the whole mirror. And I've decided I want to take you folks along on this journey so that you can see what that looks like. It's good enough, but I'm not done. I'm just done for today. And I will keep on doing it every day. In this case, it's not procrastination, it's habit forming. There's a dog drinking water in the background. So that's it for cleaning off the surfaces. So I'll clean off a few of the things. I don't feel the need to be perfect because I'm coming back to it. I'll do that part later. Obviously, I think I might need to figure out a slightly better setup for where I put all of my things. I am going to do that. It's for another day though, because I am doing that in the rest of my house. I still cannot figure out how this gets so wet. Okay, good enough for now. I really use these things here every day. Ow, throwing it away. Take care of this. I'll put this in my travel stuff. Doggy toothpaste. I use this every day. I'm almost out of it. Hand soap. Got a whole bunch of hand soap around COVID. Personally, I want to switch back to like bar soap. It doesn't consume as many resources, but well, there you go. That's one day of cleaning in my bathroom, and I will come and I will bring you to all of the other days of cleaning in my bathroom. I don't know what my husband's gonna think if I leave a stand here for my camera. I'll just tell him. I think he'll be on with it. I think people need to see what, it really takes to keep a bathroom clean daily, especially if you haven't been able to for a long time. I did kind of about 2 square feet there. Maybe all you can do is 3 square inches. In that case, just do that. 3 square inches a day. Put away what you've used. And maybe for that day, it's like, this is where I can put it away. Put away what you've used. Put away 1 or 2 more things. 5 things if you can. If you don't need to put away extra things, wipe down the surface. And eventually your bathroom is going to be clean and it's going to stay clean. Sometimes when, there's chaos in the brain, maybe ADHD, whatever, it doesn't matter. There doesn't need to be a diagnosis. We put it down and we're so busy. We put it down and off to the next thing. But we have to have that mantra. Put something away and clean something up.